I could add another push pin to the map. That'll stop me from missing you looking back. Guess there's just one place I haven't gone. I've moved everywhere but home. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song called Everywhere But On by Stell. This is a really great song, super easy to play, very easy strumming pattern and everything. You're going to want to put a capo on the 2nd fret and do standard tuning. Also, to those of you who have subscribed lately, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoy this video, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials about country and punk songs on the guitar, okay? All right, enough of that. Let's just get into it. So here are you're only going to need a handful of chords for this song. I'm going to show you as we go what chords you need, okay? So you're going to start with E, all right? So you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Notice that. So when you're doing E, then B, and then A, okay? Then you're going to do B, C sharp minor, which is just sliding up. So I'm just playing B like the power chord. All right, so you're barring it on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo, and then doing the 4th frets, okay? It's for B, and then you're just going to slide up 2 frets, okay? So then you're on 4 on the A string right here, okay? And then you're on the 6th frets, you're on the D and G strings, okay? Okay, so those are the chords you're gonna, and then you're gonna need E, B, A, and then B, C sharp minor, B, A. That's for the intro and for the verses, except for the bridge. The bridge is a little bit different, okay? So the intro is just gonna be, and the strumming pattern is just down, down, up, 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 down, up. So you're just alternating down, just going down, up, 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 down, up. Okay? You're just doing down, up, down, up, down, up for the strumming, for pretty much the whole song. What I would do for the intro is play the intro louder, okay? Okay. You're just gonna play that once. So E, B, A, B, C sharp minor, B, A. That's why I'm A here. And then when you go to the verse, you're gonna play it a little bit softer. And if you want to make it really sound good, just try and pluck the bottom 3 strings, okay? The G, B, and E. So you're gonna do, it's a big old world outside this little town. Okay, so E. All right, so for the verses, you're gonna be softer than you were for the intro, okay? And then the chorus should be louder. And I think it sounds better if you just try and pluck the bottom ones. But it's up to you, okay? So it's a big old world outside this little, okay, so you're starting with E. It's a big old world outside this little is B, little town. Okay, and then you go to A right after town. Thought that's all I needed to drown. Okay, drown is B, to drown you out. And then you go to C sharp minor after out. It was gonna be easy. So you're gonna do C sharp minor. It was gonna be easy. Okay, so on easy you're doing B. And A, it was supposed to be easy. Okay, so A is supposed to be easy. Okay, for the 2nd easy you're doing B again. And you start over and you just repeat that. So you go to E, okay. Put some days, put some miles in the rear view. Okay, so you're doing E until you get to rear view, then you do B. Rear view. And then you go to A right after rear view, and you do few state lines between, okay, few state lines between me and you. So me, between me, all right, that's where you're gonna do B. Between me and you, okay, then C sharp minor after you. Just a little space and time, okay, time is B, time, all right, so time is B. And I'd be fine, so you're just doing a single strum on A, and I'd be fine. Okay, then you're gonna mute, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. Now the chord progression is actually the same for the chorus. It's, like I said, it's the same for the verses, and the intro, the verses, and the chorus are the same except for the bridge. So I'm just gonna walk you through how to do it for the chorus. Now again, for the chorus, I would strum it louder and I'd strike the bass notes of it more, okay? So you're gonna wanna do the top 3 for sure. More like the top 4, okay? So you're gonna do E. I've been from Savannah to Long is B, okay? Long Beach. Okay, then after beach, you're doing A. So it's the same strumming pattern here, okay? Trying to keep your memory out is B, okay? Out of reach. And then you go to but there you were in the Delta. Delta is B. Delta nights. Okay, then after nights you do A. Santa Fe, sun, the Colorado sky. Okay, so Santa Fe is A, and you're gonna do the Colorado sky is B. Sky. Then you go back to E right after sky. I could add another push pin 2. 2 is B. To the map. Okay, then you go back to A. But that don't stop me from, let's see. That'll stop me from missing you. Looking is B. Looking back. Then you go to C sharp minor right after back, okay? Cause there's just one place I haven't is B. Haven't gone. And then gone is A. Gone. I've moved everywhere but on. See, so when you do gone, you do A before I've moved everywhere, and you're just going to do a single strum. You could do that, but I think it sounds better to do that. I've moved everywhere but on. And then you're going to do E, B, A, B. And then go back into the verse. Okay, so the second verse is going to be the same. So you can do I've moved everywhere but on. E, B, A, B. And then you go back to E right there. So you just do E, B, A, B, and then go to the second verse, which is just E, starting right from there, okay? Then you do the second chorus is exactly the same. Then for the bridge, you're gonna do E, B, A, okay? Then B, C sharp minor, B, A. Okay, then you're gonna do F sharp minor. So this is where you're gonna be doing the power chord, but starting with the E string on the second fret, okay? So we're starting up here. All right, so you can do F sharp minor. If I had it my way okay, so you do F sharp minor on, like it's the same strumming pattern. If I had it my way okay, this is G sharp, this old highway. So you do G sharp to A, so F sharp minor, G sharp, A. Highway would have fixed me up. Okay, so on up, you go back to G sharp, which is on the 4th and 6th frets on the E, A, and D strings, okay? Now you're supposed to be barring, but if you can't, that's okay. Let's see, where was I? Fixed me up somehow. How is F sharp minor? How would have led is G sharp, led me home by now. So now is A. Now. I've been from Savannah to Long Beach. Okay, and then you just go right into the chorus again. So it's a super easy song to play. And then when you end it with an A. I moved everywhere, but let's see. So it's I moved everywhere but on. And that's how you would play it. All right, super easy song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or requests. I know there's some more requests. I'm trying to get to them as best I can. And I do appreciate you guys requesting songs and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, and it's been fun. I'll see you next time.